What is up guys, Standard this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to mark an invoice as paid in Stripe. So first, head over to the Stripe's website and then log in or sign up with your Stripe account. And after coming to the dashboard of Stripe, on the left side, you need to click on this billing section and then a drop-down list will appear. Here, click on invoices. And after clicking on invoices, on the right side, you will see the three dots. Click on this and then click on invoice settings. Now this will open all your invoice settings. From here, you need to set the default payment methods and the default payment terms. And if you can't find the paid section here in the settings, you can just come back and select the invoices that you want to mark as paid. After that, when you have selected the invoice on the right side, you will see three dots. Click on this, and then here you will see the option of change invoice status. Click on that and then click on paid. So that invoice will be marked as paid in Stripe. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.